This SIPAUTEC Brake Pad Set is a full front and rear replacement designed specifically for Chevrolet Silverado 1500 trucks from model years 2014 through 2018, making fitment straightforward for owners of these pickups. The carbon fiber ceramic friction material offers confident stopping power while resisting brake fade under repeated hard stops or towing conditions common with full-size trucks. These pads are engineered with chamfered and slotted edges similar to original equipment, which helps cut down on vibration and keeps brake noise to a minimum during everyday driving. The formulation is tuned for low dust output, so wheels stay noticeably cleaner compared with many semi-metallic options, reducing cleanup time after long trips or work use. Included ceramic brake lubricant helps ensure smooth installation and even pad movement in the caliper brackets when installed with properly cleaned and serviced hardware. Overall build quality feels on par with factory parts, giving Silverado owners a reliable, quiet, and clean running brake upgrade without resorting to aggressive performance pads.